This video will present and explore the ways you can use the item selection method choice box. There are generally 7 ways to select items. Some options have more, some less. In this video, we will use option 8.17, View Item Pricing, which has 7. Let's bring up option 8.17 and explore these. The first method, which reads only your response to the above prompts, lets you select the vendor, brand, category, group, and department. You can select a particular entity or all. When selecting departments, your selection will be in a checklist form that shows all 17 departments. When selecting categories, entering *sum lets you choose the item categories from a checklist. The second method lets you create a new item query and use the items generated from that query for this option. The third method lets you use the items in a saved query for this option. You select the existing query to use, and CoPOS does the rest. The fourth method is items you enter. This method lets you select or scan individual items to use for this option. The fifth method is an item list. Item lists can be created in one option and used in other options. You can use the items from the selected list for this option. The sixth option is the last saved set. This method lets you use the last saved set of items from this or in other options as the items for this option. The seventh method lets you use a CoPOS standard item file which was created from this or another option as the items for this option. The source of this can be a flash drive or even the CoPOS Cloud. Thank you for watching. Check out our website, www.copos.com, for more helpful videos and PDFs. Don't forget to like and subscribe.